Untold story of Spirit and Rain. One day, Spirit was galloping through the meadow when he saw a pretty girl. Ooh la la. Well, Spirit then was frustrated, so he went to his best friend Brian. Boom, I got you a boyfriend. Sorry. What? There's this girl and she's pretty and... Okay, I like her. Okay? Let me try. My fabulous good luck should get her. Where is she? Ha! You got a double one! Shut up. I'm pretty, and I'm a guitarist of a great band. What? Was that to him or me? Both. Darn it! Those are really cute. Yeah. Yeah. No one can knock over Johnny! No! 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 Johnny will not! Johnny's getting raped! Sorry, Johnny. Sorry I had to go down like this. Oh, Jesus! They're coming back! Run, Johnny! Run, Johnny! Hello. Johnny! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. The Untold Story of Rain, Spirit and Rain 2. Okay, that's enough, Aaron. Oh God! God, dude, that was so funny. Oh God! Oh God! Pretty girl. Wait, isn't that a girl who's just like, she hates you? Ah, it's a bot! Okay, it's okay. We're gonna cope. We're gonna cope. Hey guys, what's wrong? No, we just saw a bot! A big, juicy bot! Chill out, guys. I see them every day. How can he be so mature about that? Ah! My God. What the heck is wrong with you two? Johnny, watch out! They're gonna rape you! Okay, that was a while ago. They're not gonna rape me. Johnny! Oh, Christ. Yes? No. There she is! Smooth.
Let's try that again. Okay.
Smooth.
Take 2. Take 3.
Hey. Johnny! Yeah. Girl! They're all trying to rape us!
Drop it.
Drop what?
You're dumb screaming.
Mommy, I got a boo-boo! Yeah, me too, except not as feminine. Alright. Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Da, 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 da. I forget the rest of it.
Okay.
He acts like a nerd. He calls me Hey guys!
Do you ever feel like breaking down? Do you ever feel out of place? Like somehow you just don't belong and no one understands you? Do you ever